I've been using Discord for a while and I didn't really understand how it works. I figured out a faster way to move around in Discord. Um, you may already know about this, but I just found out if you do I thought it was a control slash. It's over here. You do a control forward slash, you see all these hotkeys, which are called keyboard combos. You can also get to that in the settings. But one of the ones that I found was the option to navigate between unread channels. And it's Alt Shift up and Alt Shift down. So what you have normally in Discord, you have your servers listed on the left. And then within each of these servers, you have these different channels. Well, when I started, I was going to the channel, I would click and I would read, but then I would see this little dot over here. And that little dot indicates that that server has channels with unread messages in it. So I was clicking from here and then clicking the individual channels. But if you use those hotkeys that were listed, the Alt Shift up and the Alt Shift down, if you were in this server, the little bar here gives you an indication of what server you're on, and the little dots indicate that the channels have new messages. So you're reading here, if you would hit that hotkey, the Alt Shift up, it moves up to the next unread channel. And once it reaches the end of this server, it'll move up through the other ones. So once I move up, it tells me there's 279 new messages, which I can't read. So I'll jump down to present and I can read from here and catch up. But you see, I've got messages in this channel. I'll just hit the hotkey again and it takes me up to that channel and I can move around and read. So now I'm at the top here, but then there's messages in this server. I just hit the hotkey again. It takes me to that server, and the little red bar indicates the new channel, the new messages within the channel. So you can just use those hotkeys to move between channels on different servers that aren't read, and that saved me a lot of time. I almost forgot, I have a keyboard that has a set of keys along the side here that you can program keystrokes into. So I've taken these top two keys and I've programmed in those shortcuts, so I'm only pressing one key and I can scroll up and down between the various servers and channels. Just thought it might save you some time. Thanks for watching.